Welcome, people of planet Earth and all planets beyond. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Josh. We're jumping into the Raghouse today. Going to show you all the cool stuff we find. But I do want to remind you that we are giving away this Wu-Tang Forever T-shirt on the polygram tag, late 90s, about a $500, $600 value. We are giving this T-shirt away to one lucky subscriber and commenter on our videos. We're pushing to 20,000 subscribers, trying to get there by the end of the year. So help us out. Make sure you're subscribed. So make sure you're subscribed, and then comment on this video and any video that we post between October 31st and January 1st for an additional entry into the giveaway. We will then, on January 1st, collect all of the comments. We will remove duplicates, and then we will have the drawing. So you get an opportunity, multiple opportunities to get your name into the drawing. Help us out. We really appreciate it. Now let's find out what we found in the Raghouse this week.
See what they got today. They got here, casual club leather jacket. We'll take that. Come on, what do we got here? Ooh, Carhartt hoodies. Carhartt. Yes. We got some overalls. The Gap. Not sure how old these are. Modestly, probably. But, oh yeah. Yeah. There were tags, Calvin Klein. Dress will take. Alright. Pretty good start. New tags dress. Just lot this up. Some vintage Gap women's. And overall, got the Carhartt. Detroit. Nice. It does have, it is, you know, embroidered, but still pretty cool. Not bad. Good one right there. And then this 80s 90s leather jacket. Some overly. This is older. It's older, but not necessarily that old. So we'll probably take it still. Nike. No, they're not. Maybe bootleg Nike. Bill Bloss, vintage. I just got those 3 pairs of women's Lee and Bill Bloss. Glass. What's this? I'll take that. Vintage thing. Alright, just got a few Western shirts. Whoops. The Western shirts and this like 70s cropped like flannel. It's kind of nice. Feels like at least partly wool. Rayon. Okay. Yeah. Alright, found this guy up front. Got the Lee Chitopa twill. This is like 60s, I think. Got that Talon zipper. This is like dead stock. And it's like brand freaking new. Like never worn. So pretty sick. I'm not sure what the value is, but I found one similar to this with a Chevrolet patch. I don't know what GMAD is. General Motors maybe. But super sick. So is that percent? We got the Levi's sport jeans. Who knows if these are actually legit? Quite possibly, but yeah, well, there's a pretty legit Levi's tag. 1990. Don't see that every day. Alright, just quickly to get us started today. It's like vintage kids dress. It's interesting. It looks like sort of a selvage edge. Then a pair of men's orange time 550s. Wow, look at that. The old Conmar. Yeah, I'll take that. Pilcrow. I'll take that. Alright, this is a pair of Pilcrow. It's like an anthropology brand, or was. I don't know if it is anymore, anything like that, but it's a nice little modern pair of jeans. And then we have this, like, coverall with a, it's pretty old, kind of old Conmar zipper there. So pretty interesting. Don't know if there's a brand, but we'll do some investigating. Pretty cool. Got a Halloween, I think, like cardigan sweater. Might be too late to sell this, but and then another sort of vintage knit topics. Oh, single stitch vintage t-shirt made in USA. What about this? Oh, this is a bit older. Take that. Looks like some sort of tunic shirt, vintage looking. Hey, what's this? Why are they throwing away? Oh no, please don't say. Sure is. Carhartt. 1980s Carhartt right there. Alright, so saved this Carhartt jacket in 1989 from the Baler. Nice. I can quickly tell because in the 100 years in 1989 they had a special tag. It said 1989 to celebrate the 100-year anniversary. So pretty small, but obviously still dope. This is probably one we'll probably put in our Carhartt lots. And then we have a few other little things, some vintage women's clothing. Not too bad. Ooh. Game over.
I've been getting this question a lot lately. Where can I buy the stuff that you're selling from the Raghouse? Check the description below. We auction all of these lots up on eBay. So check out our eBay store in the link in the description below if you're interested in buying wholesale from us. You can hit us up on Instagram too if you have questions, and maybe we can work something out there. So thank you guys.
All right, grabbed this like Nike center check, like windbreaker sort of interact V-neck thing. Size XL, pretty cool. And grab this Unitog like service jacket. I think it's probably like 80s, union made. Yeah, I think it's like 80s, but pretty cool. Yeah, it looks like they pulled down a little bit more. That's what we're looking at on the inside today. See if there's anything that's obvious sticking out to us. So there might be clothes on the other side of this. Some clothes here. If there's anything old. Be a flight jacket of some sort. Oh, it's some sort of military pant. Cold weather trousers, 82. Not necessarily know that it's worth that much money or anything. Yeah, we'll have to wait till more of this gets the inside. Unless, no, yeah.
Might be a little dry. You might have to add some barbecue sauce for it.
Hey, 98.
Oh, no good.
Big booze. Denim. Got some like late 90s 501s. Got a Western shirt. And we got some vintage women's overalls, like Y2K late 90s. I'll take that. Oshkosh Bagosh. I'll take that too. Some old vintage Oshkosh. Like, you know, like 70s, 80s pants, and the Marlboro Unlimited windbreaker. Cool. What's this? See if this is old enough. I think it's close to old enough. Yeah, it's,
Uh-oh, here's the other one you look at this.
maybe. Union Bay. Yeah, it's probably just...
High far, you ain't gonna worry about that.
What? Let's take a look. Got some silver denim overalls. I'm not sure. These are probably like Y2K era is what it looks like to me. Y2K. So they're kind of flared. Probably cool. And some Union Bay. I think this is not terribly old. I think it's older than, just a little bit old. We got another Carhartt. Yeah, that Carhartt lot's gonna fill up real quick. Vintage overalls. Calvin Klein's are pretty distressed though, but that might be like, they're actually like kind of distressed in a aesthetic sort of way, so kind of cool. What the heck, this thing got? Got a nice little bit today. Got like a made in USA. It's nice. Cowhide belt and a vintage satin bomber. All right, so we got some basic tees, pearl snap, some more tees, and a couple of hats. Some older hats, yeah, cool. All right, we got some knits, some like vintage knits. It's a bunch of different ones. Nothing really special, but I do sell these knits like for like $3 or $4 a piece. So, but we got some random vintage women's top, more vintage knits. This t-shirt. Knits, Hornets, and some like 1970s Sears overalls. Let's see if I can find any telling details. They're 70s, but see any eternal. Ooh, selvage. Interesting. Essentially, yeah, that's basically the selvage that they would have been that Sears used. The Sears used selvage on some stuff into the 70s, so maybe this is older than that, but it's pretty cool. Take that. We got here. Oh yeah, sick. Ooh, we will take that too. Nice, let's go.
Mark Twain cave. Huh.
He said he wasn't gonna check.
Draft feeds.
I'll check it out.
In DC. Yeah, I'll take that too. Take that.
They don't want no money. They'll be burnt.
Go around. It's mostly like late 90s, early 2000s. Some blanks. Which are like Y2K sort of t-shirts. Strike King. Bass fishing. Oops, there's a couple really good ones in here. Washington DC. Tourist. More O'Reilly Dragster Racing. Tyndale Feeds. Farm Supply. This is kind of cool. It's like a jerseys sport hoops gear. It's kind of cool. This is the coolest one right here. Yeah, that's sick. Got some holes. Ugh. Nice. Yeah. More dragsters. Patriotic. And some, what is this? Like, oh, that's kind of funny. Winnie the Pooh and some more knits. Alright, pulled out a few more things. More of those racing tees and stuff, so that's nice. Dragster Racing, this is like early Y2K. Some made in USA sweatshirt. I pick these up whenever I find them in a decent condition. The Raghouse and the Miss Me shorts, those won't sell till next year, but whatever. Stock up on them. Brute Force. This is John Force. The Dragster Racer and the Ducks Unlimited tee. Cool. Hey, something older. Santana shampoo. It's so crisp. Catalina is older, but it's really anything that we're interested in. Dress or a tank top, we'll take it.